They don't turn civilians into soldiers overnight. First, they test your limits. Then they push past them. This is not a movie. This is not motivation. This is how the U.S. Army builds combat-ready soldiers. The real strength of the U.S. Army does not begin on the battlefield. It begins long before deployment. Inside a disciplined and highly structured training system, only those who meet strict physical, mental, and psychological standards are allowed to move forward. Training is not designed to be comfortable. It is designed to prepare soldiers for pressure, uncertainty, and real-world conditions. Every U.S. Army soldier starts with basic combat training, often referred to as BCT. This phase focuses on discipline, endurance, teamwork, and mental control. Recruits are trained to follow instructions precisely, function under stress, and maintain focus even when exhausted. Physical conditioning, obstacle courses, long marches, and weapons handling are part of daily routines. The goal is simple: remove civilian habits and replace them with military discipline. As training progresses, recruits are introduced to controlled stress environments. Sleep discipline, time pressure, and continuous evaluation test how soldiers respond when fatigue sets in. This stage builds a foundation of trust. Trust in training, trust in teammates, and trust in leadership. After basic combat training, soldiers move into advanced individual training, known as AIT. Here, training becomes role-specific. Infantry soldiers focus on maneuver tactics and field operations. Support units train in logistics, communications, engineering, and intelligence. Each role is trained with precision because every function supports the battlefield. The U.S. Army does not train soldiers randomly. Each role is assigned based on ability, aptitude, and operational requirement. Modern warfare demands more than physical strength. That is why technology plays a central role in U.S. Army training. Soldiers train using advanced simulators, virtual battle environments, and live-fire exercises. Urban warfare facilities replicate real cities. Simulation systems allow units to practice complex missions without unnecessary risk. These tools help soldiers understand decision-making under pressure, when seconds matter and mistakes have consequences. Training also extends beyond individual units. The U.S. Army regularly conducts joint exercises with the Navy, Air Force, and allied forces. These exercises improve coordination, communication, and combine operational readiness. Modern military operations are rarely conducted alone. Global missions require integration, and training reflects that reality. But training does not stop after deployment readiness. The U.S. Army follows a system of continuous evaluation. Soldiers are constantly reassessed, retrained, and updated as new threats emerge. Technology evolves. Tactics change. Training adapts. This constant cycle ensures readiness at all times. The result is not just a trained soldier, but a disciplined professional capable of operating under pressure anywhere in the world. This is how the U.S. Army maintains global readiness, not through numbers alone, but through preparation, discipline, and continuous training. This is not about creating soldiers. It is about building a force that is ready before conflict begins.